Hi everyone, this is me Saminzee. This is my channel, Beading channel, Saminzee. I'm here with a new beading tutorial of an elegant beaded pendant. The same pattern earrings are already on this channel. Earrings, turquoise earrings tutorial is already there. Following the same pattern of that turquoise earrings, today we will make an elegant pendant with white fire polish beads, and we will use golden 6O bead. As you can see on your screens, I have made three different pendants with the black and golden and red, and with the white, pink and golden, and one with black and silver. Three different colors of pendants you can see there. Today we will make this one with white and pink beads, polish beads. Here are the materials details for this project. You can see on your screens golden 6O beads and white and pink fire polish, one Chaton for center, and golden chain will be added at the end, and these are the materials for today's project. Now I will show you how can we make it. We have picked four 6O gold beads to start our pendants making. We have passed through to very first beads, and now we have to make a double knot here, and we will cut off the extra thread. These are four 6O beads. We have to make a chain of gold 6O beads, and we are working in herringbone stitch. So we will make a herringbone stitch chain, beaded chain, and we will add here 18 pairs total. We have added 18 times 18 pairs of 6 beads, and now we will use a Chaton 8 mm for our pendants center, and the chain, beaded chain, will be attached to this Chaton, and we will fix it. We will set this Chaton in its middle. This chain, we have to join both ends of our chain. We are joining here both ends of our chain, and after joining it, we will make some stitches from the passing through the Chaton's holes. This Chaton has many holes on the right and left, both sides, and so we are now passing through these holes to fix it. This in this way we have passed from one side holes, and now we are passing through from the other side's holes, and in this way we will add this Chaton in this beaded chain's middle. So we are working today in this project with polyester thread, and we are using 11 number needle, beading needle. Now we have started our second round. In this round we will start adding white fire polish beads, 3 mm beads. Each time we will add two, skipping two gold 6 beads, we will add 2 white and pass through the next 6 bead, and then again we are adding 2 more the same way, 2 more fire polish and passing through the next 6 gold bead. In this way we will complete this round total 6 times. We have added each time 2 polished by fire polish beads, and now then in the next round we will add pink fire polish 3 mm in the middle of these the previous rounds white fire polish beads. Each time one between 2 fire polish beads we will add, then we will add 1 gold 6, then again we will add 1 pink between 2 fire polish beads of previous round. So in this round we are adding pink fire polish beads and gold 6 beads. 6 times we will add pink and 6 times we will add 6 gold bead, and in this way we will complete this round. So you can see on your screens we have added 6 pink fire polish, and now we have started the next round. In this round we have to add white fire polish beads 12 times. In this round we will add 12 times passing through gold 6 bead, we add 1 and then again. In this way we added 12 times white fire polish beads, and this round is complete. Now the next round. In this round we will add gold 6 bead between 2 fire polish, then we will add 2 white fire polish 3 mm, and we will complete white flowers, and we will add each time 2. In this way 12 fire polish beads will be added in this round, and gold 6 beads will also be added 6 times in this round. And in this round you will see our little tiny little flowers, white fire polish beads flowers are ready, and now the next step is to add 3 gold 6 beads passing through white fire polish beads. We will add between the gaps of fire polish beads each time 3. 5 times we will do this 6 beads addition, and at the last we will add 4 beads, gold 6 beads, to balance our beaded pattern. We will add at the end 4, and some knots, finishing knots, we will trim the extra thread, main thread. The next step will be to add a golden chain. It's up to you. If you like to add a beaded chain, then you can add beaded chain. We are adding golden chain to our pendant. Now this chain we will add to our pendant, golden chain. This is the bale of golden chain which we will add to our pendant for chain. This will be added here. We have to press it gently. It is added. Now we will pass through our golden chain, and in this way we are completing our pendant. Golden chain is added, and in this way our pendant is ready now. An elegant pendant, and this pendant I made for you to show the other color combination. I made it with golden, red and black beads, and one pendant you can see I made with silver
you
and
can
black.
see on screens
Turquoise earrings. These earrings I made last year, and I today followed the same pattern for this pendants making, and you can easily get the tutorial of these lovely earrings on my channel saminzee. Now here are the final looks of today's project. Enjoy it, make it. I will say again, don't forget to subscribe my channel saminzee. This is my channel, and Somi Crafty is also my channel, and this is my second channel. And I hope you would like today's project. Now I will say bye. Take care. Allah Hafiz. Bye bye.